To transfer your SafePal wallet to Binance using your seed phrase, follow these steps carefully.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Disclaimer: the content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
Your seed phrase is the key to accessing your wallet and funds. Anyone with it can access your wallet, so keep it secure and never share it with untrusted sources. Binance does not natively support importing wallets using a seed phrase. However, you can import your SafePal wallet into the Binance wallet, then use it to transfer funds to your Binance account. Here's how. A. Install Binance Wallet. Download the Binance Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. B. Import your wallet. Open the Binance Wallet app. Select Import Wallet. Choose the wallet type, likely a BIP39 compatible wallet for SafePal. Enter your seed phrase. Solution-proof inner hobby bounce blouse able donate virtual luggage cart morning ticket. Set up a secure password. Once your wallet is imported, you can transfer funds to your Binance exchange account. A. Retrieve Binance deposit address. Log into the Binance app. Navigate to Wallet, then Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Copy the deposit address for the selected network. B. Send funds from Binance Wallet. Open your Binance Wallet app. Select the token you want to send. Click Send and paste the Binance deposit address. Choose the network, for example, BEP20, ERC20, etc., depending on the token and Binance's supported networks. Confirm and complete the transaction. Wait for the transaction to process, which usually takes a few minutes depending on the network. Then check your Binance wallet to confirm the funds have been received. Double-check all addresses before transferring funds. Make sure you select the correct network for the transfer. Keep your seed phrase private and avoid entering it on unknown platforms or sharing it publicly. If you feel this video is helpful, leave a thank you comment in the comments section and suggest another topic to be uploaded.
Thanks for watching.